In this video, I will show you how to change the animation of opening and closing application in Samsung phone. First, you need to have the Good Lock app. If you don't have it, download it from the Galaxy Store. Open Good Lock and then go to Home app. Make sure to download it first. Then go to Gesture Settings and make sure to enable the app Open Animation Tuning and open it to customize it. You can choose between simple tuning or advanced tuning. In this area, you can choose what speed do you want to for opening and closing. Here is very slow, and here is very fast. If you want to learn how to adjust settings manually, let me know in the comments. That's it for today. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more Samsung tips.